Excuse me?
Shorts and t-shirt.
Yeah.
Right.
How is it?
It's good. There's an inversion layer. So once you go up a couple hundred feet, I think the inversion layer is coming down now, but you suddenly get taken up into really smooth, beautiful, warm air.
Oh, okay.
It's chillier down, like over there, it's chilly down below, but I think it's changing now.
Is there more wind speed up high?
Yeah. But nice, really smooth, warm.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I think I'll go screw around for a few minutes. Well, here we are, Salton Sea. The giant sink. We are, according to my watch, 407 feet below sea level. But this thing is only good for about 200 feet. I think we're around 280 feet or something like that below. But yeah, so I'm warming up the motor. Has Jason on the free ride, David Taylor on the, what is that, Spider. And yeah, it looks like the air is smooth, which is pretty typical of Salton, but that will get you in trouble. But yeah, go up and go play for a minute here and, you know, enjoy myself. So I invite you guys to come along and let's go for a flight at Salton Sea. Clear prop. Oh, yo, top 80. Let's go play in the skies. Brakes in the hand. Some A's. Look around, make sure I'm not popping up into anything. Both natural and tin can like. Couple steps back. Check it. Turn. And away we go. So I'm checking my speed bar lines, wingtips, my seat flipped out, kinda. But I like to be, you know, into the wind, getting over by the beach. Alright, the air feels good. I'm going to stow the brake. Push down, get my seat. There she goes. And now we're flying, folks. Let's go have some fun, yeah? So it seems good on the beach. We're getting, 9:20 in the day, so anything from about the sand, pretty much the bush line, inline, you got to treat as thermic. You can see the water's kind of here. We'll get turned into the wind here. There we go. So you can see the little lines on the water out there. That's showing you where pretty much I'm into the wind, and you can feel it too. Like if you turn one way, you start kind of drifting off, and then you get squared into the wind, and you just kind of park there. I'm a little going left, and I lean back this way. So you can kind of just feel, and I'm not pulling on my brakes, these things, I'm just leaning with my body. So my goal right now is to climb up, pull a little bit of altitude. Give my wing a nice check and roo. And I'm going to have a little fun up here while it's high, or with some height. and then, yeah, see what goes from there. Alright, well, we're now 1,000-foot AGL above ground level. That's my minimum altitude. Quite honestly, it gets boring to fly up this high. And I don't know why people are so excited about it on motors. I understand free flight, but yeah. But I guess sitting in a hospital bed's boring also, so it's good to have some altitude, enough to do something with your wings, throw your reserve. So anyways, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to point into the wind. I'm going to shut the motor down. Give our wing a check. Feel our brakes. We'll give a nice little clearing turn here. And I'm going to throw a little spin to the right here. So get a little energy. And there she goes. Whoa, and the G's come on good. Yeah. You gotta look at the horizon. And pump her out. So yeehaw, that's one of my favorite things to do. And you feel it like, whoa, it comes on in your chest. But I like doing that. But you gotta get the timing right. And this stuff you want to pull early, but you almost gotta wait till the, and I'm no expert here, but the wing wants to break over. Alright. Back into the wind. A safe landing zone, stow this brake. Wake the old top 80 up and go play again. So yeehaw. I love a nice little S-turn into the wind. I mean, they're just like, yeah, I can pretty much almost fly backwards. It's a neat feeling. But the trick to doing this is you got to drop below your wake turbulence each time. Butterfly! Hey, buddy! Actually, I think that was a moth. Kind of early in the day, or it's daytime for a moth. But anyways, let's go swing out by this chair, shall we? Whoa, those are some ruts right there. Yeah, baby. People get good and stuck out here. What are you doing, man? I swear they just like flying with you. Like, yeah, you may scare some of them up, but like this dude could easily just turn the other way and go back to where he was sitting, but I think they enjoy watching me just as much as I enjoy watching them. storms really. California's been having washed stuff down the creeks and all the driftwood in, and now it's getting blown across the lake, so it's ended up on shore. It's time to actually eat some food. I'm not the best about breakfast. And that appears to be my dog running down the flight line. So our approach here is kind of abbreviated. You don't want to go over the park. Ears aren't clearing. Yeah, that'd be my dog out there just cruising down the runway. Hopefully she stays actually off the flight line. So when I let off the motor, the wing will kind of accelerate and go forward. So I'm going to lose some altitude here. Little bumps from my own wake. Do a little. Because your wake blows downwind, so just let all that blow by, lose some altitude. But you still got to worry about little thermal bumpies, and that is definitely what's kind of going to be happening. So we're going to fly this one right onto the ground. Because it is a little bumpy, so if I get my feet out, the weight down lower helps. So I kept the power on until my landing was good and assured, because I didn't want to risk not having the power if I needed to go around. But I did screw up my snake. So yeah, there is my introduction to Salton Sea for y'all. Hope you enjoyed. I had fun. Maybe we'll see you in the air sometime. Yeah.